What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I am back with another video. Here's the official case, this custom case by Hubert Brandt. This will run you about 50 bucks if you decide to get it through Google. This is a TPU style case. It's got his branding right in there, Hubert Brandt. You know, I've had this the whole time, didn't even notice that. But this is a case that you can get. It's a two-piece case that you can get from Google. You get the custom setup. It's a nice case. It's really thin. It'll protect you from some minor drops and everything like that and from scrapes, but I don't know if it can protect you for some heavy duty case protection. So I got an OtterBox, and I want to show you the next case that I got. This case right here looks just like this case as far as form factor goes, but it's a lot more sturdy. It's heavier. It's thicker. And I've been using this one. Let me get it off. This one is also a two-piece, but you don't have to take this one apart. It's a lot thicker. It's a lot more sturdy, more rugged than this case. This is like a collector's item. But as you can see, obviously it's built the same, but you just get a bigger center hole right here, and you get the extra cutouts around the camera and everything. And you can see the differences in the mic hole. You can kind of see the two pieces there on that side. And the button layout is a little bit different too. It's got little cutouts around the button. And then on the bottom, you get a more squared off, wider hole like that way. And this one goes this way. So that is the difference in the two. And you get some drop protection for cushioning inside of this case right here. And this case right here, believe it or not, costs, I got it for $6 because they had a promo for, I think 20% off or something like that. I don't know what it was, but it's only like $9 right now on Amazon. But you can see it's just a solid color. And this is how I just wanted to rock with it. I think you can get these in different colors, but where I got it from, they were only offering black, which is what I wanted. And I've actually been using this. So this one's gonna put it on real quick. This is a very snug fit, which is what I like. You do get a bigger hole here for the fingerprint reader, but honestly, that one right there works fine, and it works fine on the OtterBox too. But this case right here is a little slimmer than the OtterBox, which is another reason I try to have a bunch of different kinds of cases around. But this one right here feels great like this one, but it is super sturdy, man. I mean, it looks like it's the same, but it's a lot thicker, a lot more durable. You get a lot more lip protection around the front too. A lot more lip protection around the front of the device. And yeah, man, that's how it is. The buttons are very tactile. As you can see, when I hit that power button, it goes off with no problems. Volume rocker and everything. It works good. I mean, it's a good look, man. I show you the front of the phone a lot, but I like for you to see the back so you can see these cutouts. You can see how deeply recessed they are compared to other cases. And you know, this is just a good look, man. This is a nice case for if you can catch it on sale for $6 like I did, grab it. I just went on Amazon and purchased it. And that was that. But I think it's back up to $9. Let me look and check and see real quick. It might be back up to $9. Go to my orders here. It might be back up to $9. Yeah, I think it's back up to $9, but still $9 for this. That's a good deal, man. That's a great deal. So yeah, man, there it is, man. A nice sturdy version of this case. If you didn't want to go with an OtterBox, because a lot of people say, man, the OtterBox is just way too bulky. This case right here is pretty much the same form factor as this custom case from Google. It's just that this one is a lot more sturdy and durable. You know, and you don't want to mess up a case like this. It's artwork. But this case right here is like the same thickness and everything. It's just way more durable, and you get a lot more lip protection on the front. Yeah. And you got that drop protection with this one right here from the inside design. So just wanted to show you the latest case that I picked up for the Pixel 3. This is this phone right here. When it comes time to review another phone, man, this one's going to be hard to put down because I've really been loving it, man. Look out for my 72 hours if you haven't seen it yet. It's your man Jay, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.